I am Julian Shane Rivera from BSIT 1D. So first, the class student. This class represents a student with attributes. So this is name, this string student name. Student ID, this is the integer. Student ID. Grades, list of student grades. Average is the list. Average is a float. Calculate average grades handles empty grade list carefully. Pass, boolean indicating in the student pass is average 75. The REPR method provides a user-friendly string representation of the student object. The factorial function. This function calculates the factorial of a non-negative integer using recursion. It also includes error handling for negative input. Base case, if n is 0, it returns 1, 0, 0 equals 1. Recursive step, if n is positive, it is recursively calls itself with n equals 1 and negative 1 and multiples the result by n. Error handling. If n is negative, it is returned a message indicating the factorial is undefined for negative numbers. For the linear search student name function, this function performs a linear search to find a student by name within a list of student object. It iterates through the list, comparing the input name, case, insensitively with each student name. It returns the student object if found, otherwise none. Binary search student name function. This function performs a binary search which is significantly more efficient than linear of a larger set. However, it requires the input list to be sorted first. It sorts the student list by name, case, sensitively using the sort method and lambda function as the key. It is uses the standard binary search algorithm with low, high, and mid pointers of efficiently search the sort list. It returns the student object if found, otherwise is none. Sort student sort by average. This function sort a list of a student object based on either their average grade, average, or name. It used to sorted function with lambda function as the key of specify the sorting criterion. It handles invalid sort by values gratefully. The top three graded student. This is function the heap module to efficiently find the top three highest grade among all students. It first gathers all grades from all students in a single list. It then uses heap and large three grades to find the three largest grade. This is efficient because heap and largest uses in a heap data structure or optimization. Sample usage. The code demonstrates how to use each function with a sample list of student objects. The output shows the result of each operation. So that's the explanation of my code. So this is the result of my code. Thank you very much.